everyone, my name is Miriam Hepler. My reason for taking this course, I've been very interested in sexuality and social work for a few years now. So in my undergrad, I actually took the human sexuality course that they offered at Westchester as well. I think remaining extremely open and informed is super important, especially lately, with media and how much people know at different ages. And I think the main reason is just to continue remaining informed as well as actively involved through like activism and speaking up and all those very important social work aspects. One area that interests me, there's a lot of areas. So currently I work in an elementary school, so definitely finding out what the appropriate, like age appropriate conversations and explanations are surrounding that. Obviously, kindergartners versus fourth graders is a very large gap there. But amongst the fourth graders, there is a lot of discussion on sexuality and conversations of, what their sexualities are and what they identify as, and kind of asking a lot of questions of what things mean. And the hard thing in schools as well is there is like parent impact and input, which are super important. And luckily, a lot of our students have very supportive families in that aspect. But I think that of the age appropriate, what is age appropriate conversations and information is super interesting to me right now, just based on the population I'm working with. For safety, I definitely think just overall respect, definitely strengths-based inclusivity, kind of overall social work ethics in general. But I definitely think like asking questions, remaining open, and remaining willing to learn as well as educate others is the most important thing for safety, in my opinion. But I really do look forward to the course. I enjoyed my previous course a lot, so I'm very excited to kind of see what this one has entailed. But I hope everyone has a great semester, and I look forward to working with you guys.